I'm looking for a very expressive piano with a wide range of colors. So I want 50 shades of piano, 50 shades of mezzo forte, 50 shades of forte. For example, this part here, it's where our money making is. So this is our singer part of the piano. So if this has to be the most beautiful part of the piano, because that's going to be the melody almost there all the time. And this is going to support that melody. So I'm looking for a balance with strong bass and a very, very beautiful middle range high set. And I'm looking for easiness to play and sound and power, for example. Yeah, it's a personal connection. So, yeah, it's very subtle. Yeah, this one has a very, very, very nice bass, I think. I like it. This one has a really pretty sound. That's the other winner that I chose. It's just like a good wine.
The pianos at Amarillo College have been there a long time. Pianos are expensive, and we've got nearly 30 pianos because you need pianos to teach all kinds of music, not just piano majors. And the pianos have been very stalwart, very good for us for many years, but they do wear out, okay? We have a world-class pianist on the faculty at Amarillo College, which, by the way, we're very fortunate to have. We've been in contact with the Kawai company. They have been very gracious and very helpful in working with a college such as ours to help us replace our piano fleet.
The one thing that you want your artists to be able to say is that they've been able to take their artistry inside and fully transfer it, transfer what they have here in their heart to the heart of the listener. And the one thing that's so difficult for an artist is to be able to find an instrument that will communicate that from heart to heart with every bit of nuance. You need really exceptional instruments to accomplish that, to do everything that a great artist and aspiring artists want to do. And the reason why I guess I'm so impressed with Amarillo College is the school's commitment to make that possible.